7 fast fixes to help you unwind when overwhelmed. Sometimes it feels as though everything in the world is coming at you at once. Between work, relationships, kids, and a dozen other responsibilities, it's no wonder it feels like there's never time to unwind. The problem? If you never give yourself a break, you very quickly become overwhelmed. Ask a question. When something new comes at you, the first question to ask yourself is a simple one. Is this my problem? This might instead be an opportunity to set a boundary. You'll find much of your attention unwinding every time you say no. Bring nature indoors. Numerous studies have shown just a hint of fresh greenery or natural elements can create a calmer atmosphere. Try adding a plant, a collection of seashells, or a small Zen garden or a Buddha board to your space. Make a point of focusing on these elements when you're feeling stressed to help you unwind. Grab a tune. Find a song on your playlist that always leaves you feeling calm and peaceful. Play it when you need a quick moment to unwind. Try a pleasing scent. Aromatherapy has a lot of science behind it. Some smells are especially conducive towards easing anxiety. Just a sniff of bergamot, lavender, or frankincense will help you feel calmer almost instantly. Step outside. A short walk can build a lot of perspective and help you unwind, even if you don't go far. Make sure to take some deep breaths or fresh air while you're out there. Put on a happy face. When we smile, we change more than the shape of our faces. A smile quickly changes mood and even gives you a burst of endorphins in your brain, which are responsible for making us feel happy. The best part, a smile can help you unwind even if you're not feeling it initially. This is because even fake smiles tend to become real ones very quickly. Set an alarm. Sometimes we need a reminder to adopt a change of attitude to unwind. Try setting the alarm on your phone several specific times every day. When one of the alarms goes off, either take a mindfulness moment for a quick meditation or take a moment to read an affirmation. If you're strapped for time when the alarm goes off, use this moment to take a few deep breaths to give yourself a taste of unwinding before continuing with whatever you are doing. While not every tip is going to work, be patient with yourself. Keep trying until you find the methods which give you the space to breathe. After all, unwinding is crucial to your mental health.